Thank you for meeting with me. My name is Brian Mitchell. I just wanted to share with you an idea I have for a great opportunity for a dinery in a metropolitan business area. It's called Burgers from Around the World. It would be a family-friendly restaurant that would actually serve hamburgers with styles and some ingredients from different areas around the world. We could actually have like an India burger where it would actually be a chicken patty, or even a vegetable burger. Where they would actually be able to have different seasonings and that would get a little bit of experience from that country, or even something like fish and chips type thing from England. And not only that, on the walls we'd actually have different facts and things explaining the different cultures of those different burgers that we're actually serving from the world. You can have a big huge map in the front of the building where people can take their pictures at it, pointing to where they from the burger where they try, or from the country they tried at. It'd be a great, neat, exciting idea. I'm looking forward to actually going over it a little bit more with you in further detail. And thank you for your time. Hello, thank you for meeting with me. My name is Brian Mitchell. Let me introduce you to a concept called Chilean Americana. Chilean Americana is basically a restaurant idea that I have that actually started in Santiago, Chile. There's actually two different styles of restaurants that I think would do really well in that country. Ideally, the food would be American style from the United States. And the reason why I think it would work really well is Chileans, they love looking at other cultures and mimicking what those cultures do. For example, they have their fashion that they get from the United States, from England, and foods that they like to try different foods from different countries. And they love to see what Americans are doing all the time. So this would help bring some of our culture from the United States to them. We could do a real simple, fast bite restaurant, which would be near like train stations and things of that nature, where they can get like a slice of New York style pizza, or they can get something like a Sonoran hot dog that you would find in the Southwest of the U.S., or even Chicago style dogs, things like that they can actually experience a little bit of Americana right there on the go. Or we also can have sit-down restaurants where they can try like a deep dish pizza, or maybe some Texas barbecue, things of that nature, to get them a little bit of a variety and a culture of what the United States has to offer. And I'm looking forward to actually be able to talk with you a little bit more in depth here shortly. And thank you. Hello, my name is Brian Mitchell. Let me introduce you to an idea called Solar Ball. Solar Ball is an interesting product that is actually invented by a Australian engineering student named John Liao. His idea is to try to introduce drinking water to those that are in third world countries or in poverty areas where that water might not be very available. The Solar Ball, it'll hold 3 liters of water, and they use basically the dirty water they get from the ground, and throughout the day, through solar processes, it will actually distill most of that water in there and make it available for drinking. Currently, the only thing that's stopping us is actually having funding for this project, and I'm looking forward to be able to discuss it a little bit more with you in detail. The idea is that this project can actually help well over 100 million people, considering there's over 1 billion people in the world who suffer from inadequate drinking water. And so I'd like to share a little bit more of this with you when we're able to. And thank you so very much for your time.